We provide a dishwasher at the White House and it's located just here underneath the sink. To open up the door, just pull open the door, make sure it is all the way down before pulling out the drawers, and then you can load up your plates and cutlery down there, and then you can have mugs and glasses at the top. Please rinse these off so that any debris is not put in the dishwasher. This means that it will prevent it from smelling. So when you're ready to start the machine, you'll need a dishwasher tablet that goes here. You'll find these in the cupboard to the left, and we provide these. So you just take one of these, pop it in here, and then slide the cover shut. It will click and then it will stay shut. So to turn on the dishwasher, you need to put on the on button. If you find that this doesn't illuminate, then look up here and just check this is pushed down. If it's pushed up, it will be off. Push this down and this will turn the dishwasher on. As you can see, the setting is at Eco. This is the best setting for washing. And then also make sure that this is selected tablet. So you'll see by the red light. So when you're ready, just push start, and then you just shut the door and this will start the dishwasher. When it finishes, it will beep, and then you're free to open up the dishwasher and unload. And that's how to use the dishwasher. Thank you.